This is the impossible puzzle, and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed and made by Puzzle Guy, or Ivan Danik, his real name, and it's actually me, the guy who is filming this video right now. The impossible puzzle has difficulty level 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all those 11 parts inside the frame. But it looks totally impossible. You can easily put 9 parts inside the frame, but then it looks impossible to fit 2 more square pieces into the frame. So we have to remove all the parts, rearrange them, try a different approach. Maybe you will be able to fit 10 parts inside, but then it is not enough space to fit 1 more piece. If you like the impossible puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more videos about puzzles. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. The solution isn't something you expect. Usually when you solve a packing puzzle, you want to see a beautiful solution where all parts fit nicely. This is not the puzzle where you find a beautiful solution. The solution is absolutely different and you have to think outside the box to find it. So first you have to put 4 parts right here, then 1 piece in each of these corners. But the next steps are absolutely crazy. You have to put these 2 squares like that. Another one goes right here. Then you have to fit this part, but it won't really fit. So you have to move this square a little bit to the left. And then you will be able to put this one here. And we have only 1 part left and just enough space right here to fit it inside the frame, and the puzzle is solved. As you can see, the solution is something that you don't really expect in such puzzles. And that's why it is called impossible, since it is impossible even to think about something like that. If you like this puzzle and you want to buy it or you want to try some other great puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca.